My dear friend, you are most welcome on my channel, that is the Vijay Destination and the Kafir International Organization. You are most welcome from the side of the Kafir International Army. Every non-Muslim, atheist, or the humanist, or the good person is the member is of the Kafir International Army without any registration, without any fees, without any organization, because this is the birthright to every citizen who is non-Muslim, atheist, or the humanist to fight against the Islamic Gunism or the hooliganism. Because Islam is a perfect Gunism in the name of the Allah, the fallacy of Allah. Those who are celebrating Eid and giving the best wishes to the Muslims of the Eid celebration are also the follower of the Islamic terrorism, because they are well wishing such type of ideology which is totally against the human values and the humanity. So I condemn, and every member of Kafir International Army must condemn the such people which are giving the best wishes to those people who are celebrating the Eid festival, that is depend of the falsehood of the Allah, fallacy of Allah, which was created by Muhammad for his vested interest. The resultant was killing the non-Muslims, rapes with the Kafir woman, that is the, at the time of the Muhammad, that was the Jews women, which were raped by Muhammad and his companions. There were a lot of the women of the Banu Qurayza tribe, which was the Jewish tribe, and was residing in the oasis of the Khabar in Medina. When Muhammad and his companions, that is the Islamic goons, dragged out, expelled from the Medina, and confiscated the properties of the non-Muslims, that is the mainly the Jews were there by these Islamic goons in the chairmanship of the so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was certified a rogue person or the rascal person. So what is the base of the conflict of the Iran war with United States of America and the Israel Defense Force or the Israel? The root cause is only the Islam. As you are well aware that this land of the Arabia was not belong to the Islamic hooliganism or the Muslim goons, but this was the land of the Jews, the pagans, and other local beliefs, who are living in a peace and harmony throughout the Saudi Arabia, United Emirates, Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan, and elsewhere, where was the Islam was not spread too much at the lifetime of the Muhammad. But when Muhammad incepted a Islamic terrorism or the certified hooliganism known as the Islam, the all peace and harmony were or the was deteriorated by these Islamic goons. First of all, the Muhammad went to Medina from the Mecca, or by dragged out by the Meccans, because he was the great liar and has the criminal ideology in his mind, which was incepted by Muhammad in 610 Anno Domini. So this ideology, when spread in the Medina by the force of the sword, or by with the help of the sword, means the terrorism against the human values and the human society. The first time Muhammad killed so many Jewish tribesmen, including Banu Nadir, Banu Mustaqlik, Banu Abbas, Banu Qurayza, and so many tribes were living there which were not the Muslims, because there was no Muslim before the 610 AD. By virtue, the Muhammad cunningness created a fallacy of the Allah or the false Upadda and launched a unguided missile or the missile of Gunism or the hooliganism, having the explosive of terrorism, rapes, robbery of the non-Muslim tribes. This is the Islamic missile, having the stupidity, having the fallacy or the greatest lies of this world, having the brutality killing of the non-Muslims. At that time the Jews, but aftermath of the killing of the Jews and the after death of Muhammad, these Islamic goons created so hooliganism in the shape of Islamic missile, having brutality, cruelty, rapes and robbery, which are inhibits in this Islamic missile. So Islamic missile is perfect hooliganism or the goonism or the dictatorship against the human values. The salient feature of this Islamic missile are the encroach the land of the non-Muslims by name of the Allah by force or by greed, palm the greed. And this is why so many mazars and the mosque were there in Saudi Arabia at the time of Muhammad, where even a single mosque was not there. But the Mahan Muhammad attacked the Kaaba. Kaaba was the temple of the non-Muslims, pagans, Jews, and the three chief goddesses were Lat, Mannat, or Uzza, and the one chief god, that the Hubal, was there, and the 360 idols were present in the Kaaba or the Makkah. But this Islamic misguided missile created so nuisance that Muhammad captured the Makkah and killed all the non-Muslims. But because the Muhammad was belonged to the Quraysh tribe that was the Jewish tribe, Muhammad not killed even a single Quraysh tribe due to the kith and kin, because they were converted into Islam. Otherwise, Muhammad might be killed all these his kith and kin, because Muhammad killed or conspiracy to killing in the Abu Lahab, which is desecrated by the Islamic goons named as Abu Zahal, whereupon all the Islamic people which are following the Islamic goonism or the hooliganism are al-jahil. Jahil means uncivilized, having stupidity without knowledge or zero knowledge, known as the Zahil in Arabic literature. So the main cause of the Iran, USA and the Israel was only the fight against the Zahilism or the stupidity of the Islam in the shape of hooliganism. Islam is a such type of the missile or the explosive, having the explosive of the stupidity, brutality, killings and the rape with the non-Muslim woman. When the third Caliph Ottoman won almost all the Saudi Arabia, including the eastern part of the Europe up to Spain and the Anatolia, the eastern part of the Europe including the Turkey. The Ottoman Caliphate goes to the Turkey or Turkey. This is why Turkey is the greatest Islamic goon of this world, including the Pakistan. It is very amazing that the people of the Pakistan, their ancestors were Hindus, not Buddhist, because Buddhism is far later than far newer cult. Buddha never created any cult, but the follower of Buddha made this as a cult. So the followers of the Muslims of the Pakistani ancestor were the Hindus. But when they adopted the Islamic Goonism or the stupidity or hollowness of the Islamic Goonism, they were also a great enemy of those Hindus which were never converted to Islam. Though the Hindus of the Pakistan as the brethren of the Muslims and their forefathers and the forefathers of Hindus were the same. But after embraced the Islam and unguided missile having the heinous criminology devastated the culture of their ancestors. So after embracing the Islam, even though the Saudi Arabia was the majority of the Jews, Judaism and the Christianity, but when Islam accepted by the Muhammad, all the Jews who were converted to Islam became the hate mongers or the certified mongers or killers or the robbers or the rapists. As the Muhammad certified these all the heinous crime as holy or the halal in the name of the fallacy of the Allah. And this is why this stupidity, it continues since 610 AD when Muhammad launched this missile of the Islam, having the brutality, cruelty, robbery and all heinous crime or deeds which are under punishable, highly punishable act under the any law of the society. So Islamic society or the Sharia is also the Goonism or the hooliganism against the peace and harmony among the people. So the conflict Iran and Iraq or any Muslim country to non-Muslim countries not belong to any oil or the petroleum, because all this petroleum and oil is related to the Jews and the Christians, because their ancestors were the Jews or the Christian in Saudi Arabia. So the first right to occupy the petroleum of this world, of the Arabian Peninsula, the first right is to the Jews and the Christians, because they are the inhabitants of the earlier period before the Islamic ideology was launched by Muhammad. This is the salient feature of Islam. When a person became a Muslim, he is a certified robber, killer or the rapist. And the salient feature of Islam to encroach the land of the whole society in the name of the fallacy of the Allah. And it is very miserable, and that I am amazed that a Muslim in India donate the land of Indian government to Allah, means for the building of the mosque, because all earth is belong to Allah. First you have to prove there is any Allah. If there is not any Allah, I have proved in my videos, then what is link between the Allah and the land or the universe. There is no link between Allah and universe. And the all land belong to non-Muslim society before the inception of the Islam, 610 AD. So main cause of the fight of the Muslims with non-Muslim countries only the stupidity, the fallacy, the criminology, and the eagerness to conquer all the non-Muslim for the robbery of their wealth, robbery of their women, to fulfill the lust of the Muslims. As Muhammad committed such heinous crime throughout his life, this is the root cause of the fight between the US and the Iran. There is no question of the oil because Iran has only 3% of oil reservoir and the America having the too much reservoir of the oil and the crude oil or the petroleum. So this fight is between against the brutality, killingness, and the stupidity and the fallacy Allah by the United States of America, Israel Defense Force, and all the countries which are non-Muslim country. Must we fight against this Islamic hooliganism? I am not against any Muslim. But if he follows the Islamic teaching, that is the Muhammadi teaching of Muhammad, because Allah is a fallacy and the falsehood. So he is certified cruel, brutal, killer, rapist in the disguise of peace and harmony. And this is the cheating of the Islam, which is known as the Al-Taqiyya, to show himself as a good person, but in your mind, the criminology always inhibits in the shape of the Muhammadi teaching or the Islamic teaching, the Islam launched by the so-called Muhammad. The main cause of the fight between United States and Iran is the hooliganism of Islam, and no one can bear or digest this hooliganism of Islam if you are non-Muslim, atheist, or the humanist. So join the Kafir International Army to eradicate this filth in the shape of the Islam. Islam is a filth. Islam is a disease. Islam is a mental resentment against the true or the truth. Thank you very much. See you.